What are you fucking doing? Give me my phone. I bought you your own. That one's mine. Give it to me. He's a phone already. That's not cool. Give me my phone. Where's your phone at? I'm gonna
My
read
phone?
everything in it.
I actually have no clue where it is right now.
Uh-oh, that's not good.
That's okay.
Your phone is a $200 phone. Where's it at?
I really don't know.
It's right here.
Oh, okay. You can read whatever you want. There's nothing interesting on it.
I'm trying to get it to me.
Having very much luck there.
No, give me the phone.
That scared me.
That was funny.
Got a message right whenever you grab it. Let's see, it's from Yod.
Let me see my phone.